Okay, I'm gonna start in with my brows. In the first look, I didn't really focus on the brows too much. I just lightly filled them in just so that they showed up in the picture. But this time around, I needed them to be bolder. And I always start by drawing a line underneath because my brows are not even. So I have to draw the line that I want to have for my arch on both of them. You know, to kind of make them look a little bit more even. They still won't ever be even, but be as close as I can get them. Okay, and now I'm going in, and I'm just using this light shade in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette just to use as my base for the eyeshadows. And I chose from this palette because the primary shadedness is going to be like purple and blue, and that light pink shade kind of works well with that. And I'm doing my transition shade, which I'm using like a probably close to a dark brown, and you see that I'm dragging it down my nose because since I'm not wearing any base or anything like that or doing contouring, I still wanted to push my nose in a bit, so that's when I use my eyeshadow to do that, and you'll see later on when I start blending how that works. Now I'm going in with my purple shade, which is like the star of the whole look. Now this purple shade is iridescent, where the main color is purple, but it has other tones to it that reflect with the light. You know, sometimes it looks silver, sometimes it looks golden. You'll see green in it. And you see now with the blending, how I'm blending down and use my fingers to smooth out. It's not a real deep contour, obviously, since I'm not wearing any base, but it's just enough to narrow that gap a bit. You see I'm blending, blending, and blending, and I start in from the inner corner and I blend out. And I'm going in with a pale blue shade, a Shimmer Shade, on the lid. Because with me, my lids can't be completely dark because it almost gives me a closed eye look. Because I have a very heavy hooded eye, so I always have to lighten up, you know, especially going out towards the outer edge of my eye. And here I'm lining with a light purple shade, and I'm going in over that with that same blue that I used on the lid. Now here, if you're not going to wear false eyelashes, I recommend lining close to your lash line. And I was using a dark blue color here on the top and bottom lashes. It helps to make your lashes look thicker. And you see me wiping the area because I can't have my eyeshadow going from corner to corner. It has to go almost to the corner with me. Otherwise, it makes my eyes look heavy. And these are lashes that I'm testing out. I'm not going to show myself putting them on. But I have them on already here. And this is me layering on the look. I start with a plum pencil and a dark berry lip color. Then I'm going over them with the purple eyeshadow that I used. Then I'm going in with that light blue in the center of my lips. And you see I'm smiling a little bit while I'm doing that. That's so that the color doesn't settle into the lines. It'll be even. Now for this look, I just used the pale blue. And the original look, it was a bluish green color that I used. And I'm going in on the corners to blend it out with a purple shadow. Because like I said, I like everything to look blended, where you don't see like a stark separation of color. You know, it looks like they bleed into each other. And that's what I'm doing here. Okay, but I decided I want that little hint of that green, so I'm going in with the shadow that I used in the original look and patting it like just right dab in the center of the lips, just to have that little hint of green.